We're continuing topic 5.2, and we're looking at example 2 in this video. For what value of x does the function f of x equals 1/4 x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 5x squared plus 5 have a horizontal tangent line? Remember, horizontal tangent line is where your derivative has a slope of 0. Okay, remember you got your function, horizontal tangent line, slope equals 0 there. Okay, so I know I got to take derivative set equals 0, exactly the same as finding critical numbers. So I'm going to start by taking my derivative of f of x, because that's the calculus that I need to do. So I'm going to take this 4 and bring it out front. So I've got 1/4 times 4x. Subtract 1, I get 3. Bring the 3 out in front, so plus 3x. Subtract 1, I get 2. Take the 2, bring it out front, so minus 5 times 2x. Subtract 1, I get 1. And then derivative of 5 is just going to be 0. We're going to simplify this a little bit, so my 4's cancel. And I get x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10. Let's see here. I lost an x, didn't I? 10x. Okay, I'm going to set that equal to 0 because tangent line means my slope is equal to 0. The very first thing we look for when we factor is a greatest common factor. So I'm going to pull a greatest common factor of x out, which leaves me with x squared plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. And then I know I've got a trinomial left in here, so I'm going to do a magic x. So I need two numbers that multiply to negative 10 and add to 3. That would be 5 and negative 2. Remember to drop this x down. You got to make sure you drop that down. It's still part of the factoring. So that would give us x plus 5 times x minus 2 still equal to 0. Then we ask ourselves, what property do we need to apply? We're going to apply the zero product property to all three of these factors. So x equals 0, x plus 5 equals 0, and x minus 2 equals 0. So I already know one of my critical numbers is 0. I subtract the 5, so x equals negative 5 is a critical number. And then I add the 2, so x equals 2 is a critical number.